Gusto mo mag-apply ng Japanese visa from the Philippines? Okay, let me help you, be. First, you have to identify anong klase ng visa yung kailangan mo. It can be tourist visa, business visa, work visa, student visa, or any other visa. Second is you have to gather and prepare all the required documents. Kailangan mo mag-apply ng visa application form using this link, or you can go to the visa agencies para bigyan ka nila ng form at i-prepare mo na rin yung mga documents na gagamitin mo. You will need your passport. Make sure na valid pa yung passport mo before the intended arrival in Japan. And make sure na meron pa siyang 2 blank pages for the visa stamps. You also have to prepare passport size photos. Make sure na recent yung picture mo at namimit niya yung standard size and background na nire-require ng embassy. Sa ibang travel agencies, hindi agad nila nire-require yung agad-agad na meron ka ng travel booking. Or sometimes, kung magbubook ka man, pwede na yung mga dummy tickets. Next is your proof of financial capacity. Diyan mo dadalhin yung bank certificate mo, kung meron kang negosyo, kung meron kang ITR from your work, or a letter of invitation plus supporting documents mula sa taong nag-i-invite sa'yo na kaya ka rin niyang suportahan sa iyong pagta-travel. Pero mas maganda kung yung proof of financial capacity mo is paper mo mismo. Para hindi ka na mahirapan pa, mura lang naman, lumapit ka na lamang sa travel agency at i-prepare mo na lang itong mga list na kailangan mong documents. So sana nakatulong ako and I hope makapasa ka sa iyong visa. Make sure to like and follow for more tips about traveling, be.